Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota 4Runner headlight. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch for safety. Then, open the hood and locate the headlight assembly you plan to remove. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Next, we'll tackle the fasteners. You'll see two bolts on top of the headlight assembly. Remove these first. Then, gently pull back the fender liner near the headlight. This will expose a third, often hidden, bolt. Carefully unscrew this final bolt to fully release the assembly from its main mounting points. With the bolts removed, carefully pull the headlight assembly forward just a few inches. This creates enough space to access the electrical connections. Disconnect all the wiring harnesses from the back of the headlight bulbs. Be gentle to avoid damaging the connectors. Also, check for any small clips or tabs that might still be holding it in place. Now, you can carefully slide the entire headlight assembly completely out of its housing. Take a moment to inspect the old unit for any damage or wear. When you're ready to install the new headlight, simply reverse these steps. Make sure all bolts are tightened and electrical connections are securely reattached for proper function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.